first thing a person should do when injured is go see a medical professional. That's the first thing. A competent, legitimate medical professional, not someone that the lawyer trumps up for you. If you've got to call a lawyer to get a doctor, you may not be ill, you know, and the defense will find out about that. They'll find out that the lawyer trumped it all up. Don't do that. Go to a legitimate, competent health care provider immediately when you know you're injured, and be honest about what's wrong with you. And another thing, tell that provider what your problems are. You know, if I see this happen in our practice, someone goes to the doctor and they're in a car accident, their left leg is hurting terribly, but they forgot to tell because they're focused on their right arm or their headache and just forgot to tell the doctor. It doesn't get put in the notes. And so down the road, when we make a claim for left leg injuries, the adjuster or the defense lawyer says, wait a minute, when you went to the emergency room that day, they didn't say anything about a left leg injury. Now you do. We don't think that's legitimate. That's trumped up, but it's not trumped up. You forgot. So it's important to tell the medical professional everything that's wrong with you, and also give a history of what your problems are. Now, you know, if you've had a previous back injury or back surgery, tell them about it. Don't leave that out, because this new accident could affect the old injury. And you want to be always honest with your healthcare providers about what you're feeling, what's wrong with you, and don't leave anything out. Tell the whole story.